Yo, what's going on, Block Party? We're back again. We've got a Bose Soundock with the lightning connector here, little remote in that super flashy purple. Let me just show you guys real quick. I'm hand holding this video, so I'm going to try to be really brief so we're not bouncing around. We do have a new camera. We are rocking the iPhone 12 Pro, so hopefully our videos are a little bit better. They're not as lined up and everything. I don't know. I had to upgrade this thing. Is my old one. This is the iPhone 8. This obviously has the lightning dock on it, so you can do any of the newer iPhones on there, which is nice. Also comes with this catchy remote. Now let's see here what's going on. It is charging it, so you can see that. So I'll pull that up there. We have the remote here too as well. Now we're gonna hit off. That's gonna power things off, and then we can go hit play. Volume. See the little volume slider moving right there. So watch that little guy. So watch that slider. Pops down. We can also go, just gonna open that up. This is the handy dandy of having two iPhones. So we can hit next song. Let's go on Spotify. There you go. We're going backwards. Oh, Chromeo. And then we have off, obviously. This is playlist, I think, but I haven't.
You'll be up when the moon's right. In the moonlight, we can walk and talk. I don't want to
that one I can't figure out what those two do. But anyways, we got a Bose remote. It's gonna come with this, and pretty cool. We just pull this off here. Pull that off of there. Look at the overall view of this thing here. It comes with the Bose power supply. This is pretty, that was a terrible noise. Pretty nice looking unit, all white. It's got an audio in cable as a connection there too as well. I guess you could do a, if you want to do an auxiliary connection to that, you know, from another device. And then we'll flip it over. We've got it's got the Soundock Series III, and yeah, that's that. You heard it works. It's missing a little tab there, a little foot. It doesn't really matter. It still sits. It's fine, right? So we'll note that in the listing. Just want to give you guys a heads up. Again, Bose Soundock 3 with the lightning port, which is really nice. So put this up on your desk. Looks really nice and stunning, and of course it comes with a remote, so you don't have to be hitting your device every time. You can actually be sitting at a distance, changing the music. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. We post all our eBay videos in here for electronics mostly, and anything else that really kind of would need an overview. And that's that. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.